Hi, my name's Governor Watts and I'm in the Anza Borrego Desert, where there are a number of folk art statues that portray life as it was in this magnificent valley millions of years ago. We passed a giant pig elephant thing with tusks that used to roam this desert. We passed a scorpion the size of a house, and now I'm standing here in the latest discovery that I've made, where we have a gathering of prehistoric men. These men here evidently used to harvest rusty balls. Rusty balls used to be the primary delicacy of the Anza Borrego Desert, and in addition to that, this is something that you may not have known about prehistoric men: they could fly. Now, if you look at each one of these men, you'll notice that their feet are at least 4 inches off the ground. This one over here, more skilled at the skill of flying, he's about 1.5 feet off the ground. Back in prehistoric times, every man stood at least 3 inches off the ground. We gradually lost that power as man evolved. We also stopped harvesting brass balls and ate things that we found to be more nutritious with our superior intellect and education, like vegetables and curly fries. This guy here wearing a hat. Now, no one wears hats anymore like that except for the very uneducated and Trump supporters. So that's something else that's different about the prehistoric man. You'll see here these men standing next to wires. These are, of course, power lines from PG&E, and it gives you a sense of the scale of prehistoric man. Look outside of your house, wherever you live, and you'll see a power line that's, 60 feet tall. And so imagine how tall this guy was. Judging from that, probably 6,000 or 8,000 feet tall. So it's very interesting. You learn a lot of things about the desert, prehistoric men, and prehistoric civilization out here in Anza Borrego Desert. I encourage you to come visit. I also encourage you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I am, of course, a genius with an IQ of 8 million, and so if you subscribe, you'll learn many great things. Click on the little bell that's in the lower right-hand corner of your screen. Otherwise, you will not get notified about my videos, and then it would be very sad, and you wouldn't learn things like that there used to be men who could fly in the deserts of California. My name's Governor Watts, and subscribe. All right, bye.